Installation Guide for the GCC Spirit LS Pro SMARTBOX. Open the top lid and front door. Remove the X and Y magnetic rulers from the machine. Place the SMARTBOX on the working table. Please ensure that the exhaust side is facing the back door. Open the back door, and remove the original duct adapter box from the machine's back door panel. Install the movable bushing into the ventilation opening of the back door. Pass the exhaust pipe through to the ventilation opening of the back door and install it on the SMARTBOX, and then tighten it. Close the back door. Attach the limit switch lever to the SMARTBOX and make sure to switch it out underneath the limit switch of the machine dot. Apply 4 metal gaskets and screws to secure the SMARTBOX to the working table. Place the supporting stands according to the size of your object. Place the material on the supporting stands. Close the top lid and front door. The installation is completed.